Hi, this is Minister Gail with Search for Truth 2, also known as Light for Living Home Bible Study. This can be found on the Pentecostal Publishers House website, the charts and all the lessons. Lesson 2, Chart 2. God creates his angels. They are created to worship and serve, to aid, protect, and proclaim God's messages on earth. Lucifer, war in heaven, and Satan is God of this world. A. Created to worship and serve. B. To aid and protect, proclaim. C. Lucifer, the son of the morning. D. The war in heaven, and Satan, God of this world, little g. God creates his angels. Created to worship and serve. The Bible states that before Adam was placed on earth, angels were with God. Job 38:4. Where wast thou when I laid the foundations of the earth? Declare, if thou hast understanding. Job 38:7. When the morning stars sang together, and all the sons of God shouted for joy. Before creation of man, there were angels. The angelic host was the first and highest order of created beings. Psalm 68:17. The chariots of God are 20,000, even thousands of angels. The Lord is among them as in Sinai, in the holy place. Psalm 148:2. Praise ye him, all his angels. Praise ye him, all his hosts. Hosts are another word for angels in the Bible. Psalm 148:5. Matthew 1 through 25 fulfills that. Let them praise the name of the Lord, for he commanded and they were created. Singular tense, he, God is one, and the name of the Lord was published in Matthew chapter 1. Nehemiah 6. Thou, even thou art Lord alone. Thou hast made heaven, the heaven of heavens, with all their host, the earth and all things that are therein, the seas and all that is therein, and thou preservest them all. And the host of heaven worshipeth thee. God's plan for angels to worship and praise him day and night. Revelations 5:11. And I beheld, and I heard the voice of many angels round about the throne, and the beasts and the elders, and the number of them was 10,000 times 10,000, and thousands of thousands. That's the number of the angels. Revelation 5:13. And every creature which is in heaven and on earth, and such are in the sea, and all that are in them, heard I saying, Blessing and honor and glory and power be unto him that sitteth upon the throne, and unto the Lamb forever and ever. Only one throne. Hebrews 1:6 is fulfilled in John 1:1 through 18. And again, when he bringeth in the first begotten Son into the world, he saith, And let all the angels of God worship him. So Jesus is the Lord of lords and the King of kings. Revelation 7:11, there's only one throne. And all the angels stood round about the throne, and about the elders and the four beasts, and fell before the throne on their faces, and worshipped God. Hebrews 12:22. But ye are come into the Mount Zion, and unto the city of the living God, the heavenly Jerusalem, and to an innumerable company of angels. Innumerable. You can't even number the amount of angels that are here. Thank you for watching this class. Please click subscribe to see more teaching on my Search for Truth Through the Bible Study channel by the Pentecostal Publishing House. Go to the next lesson to Chart 2B.